Make every second stylish with our Sublimation Blanks MDF wall clock. The perfect blend of function and creativity. Crafted from durable MDF material, this wall clock features a smooth, gloss white surface that's ready for vibrant, full-color sublimation printing. Personalize it with photos, patterns, quotes, or brand designs to create a truly one-of-a-kind timepiece. Whether it's for a home, office, classroom, or gift shop, it's a practical decor piece that stands out. The clear, easy-to-read face ensures time is always on your side, while the lightweight design makes it simple to hang anywhere. Perfect for custom gifts, business branding, event giveaways, or just adding personality to your own walls. Don't just tell time, design it. Print it. Hang it. Love it. Sublimation MDF wall clock. Your style, every hour.